What's up, guys? It's Ryan from the Mod Garage again. Today we're going to be doing something kind of fun. So OLM sent us over 4 of their newest taillights for the 22 WRX, and we're going to be trying them on all the different colors of the WRX. So you'll have to let us know which one you think looks the best, but I think you're going to like these. So let's go check them out. Boom, check these out. So these are the new ones from OLM. These things look great. So we got the different colors. Here we got smoked with red bars, smoked with white bars, clear lenses with red bars, and clear lens with white bars. So there's 4 different styles you can choose from. All of them look really good. I think it just depends on the theme of the, what you're going for in your car, what kind of look you want. But these are nice, man. I can't wait to get them on and see how they look and see how they function. And we're gonna be testing them on all these different colored WRXs, like I said. You guys got to let me know what you think, man. And as far as installation goes, I think it should be pretty straightforward. Looks like you just unbolt the old tail light and put this new one in there. It's already got a nice little plug and play harness. Goes right into the factory plug. And even the little resistor is already built in for the blinkers. So this is going to be great. Let's go try it out. Alright, so as far as how to take this tail light out, it's actually probably one of the easiest Subaru taillights to remove. This new VB chassis, they made it a lot simpler than the previous one, so it's pretty easy. I'll show you. Basically, you're just going to get some kind of little pry tool. Well, first you want to take out the little screw that goes in here. I've already kind of removed this one, so it's not the best display, but take your little push clip out, and then you're just going to stick a pry it in here, and then right over here, and it should just go bloop, and then pop right out of there. Then you take your 2 10mm bolts out of the tail light, and boom, boom, look at that, comes right out. Got a little push clip here which looks like it came out, but that's okay. And so just unplug it, remove it, put the new one in, boom, bang, bomb, done. So once you got your old headlights out, you go ahead and open up the new box. So these OLM taillights come in, should look just like this. Got them all packaged up nicely. Pull that out of there. And you got this nice clear plastic on the outside to protect it. Basically just push it in there, and it's pretty easy to do. One thing to keep in mind though, so this new tab on the end of the taillight, it's metal, and you'll have to kind of give it a nice little like a nice little shove. I'll show you when I go to do it, but it's going to clip in there nice and tight, so it's not like the factory one that doesn't take as much effort. This one takes a little bit more effort, but it sits nice and flush. So let's get this in there and we'll see. So we've got our brand new tail light here. Let's put it right up to the car. I'm going to one-handed plug this in. Maybe. Let's see. Oh God. We'll get our 10mm bolts started by hand. Use our Milwaukee impact gun on level 1. Boom. Easy cheesy. Grab our taillight cover here. This is just going to slide right back in like that. Just clips right in place. Grab our little push clip. And then boop. Boop. Ta-da! Look at that. Let's test it out and see how it looks.